99% of people are using AI completely wrong to make digital products. And that's why your products don't sell. In this video, I'm giving you the exact AI prompt framework I use to create high demand, high converting digital products in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a product you can list today and a repeatable system you can use forever. And if you want to skip the creation phase completely, I'll show you how to get done for you, ready to sell templates for just $10 a month at the end of this video. And if you're new here, hello, my name is Karen, and I help beginners create, market, and sell digital products without tech overwhelm so you can start earning passive income from home, even if you've never sold anything online before. Now, the number one mistake I see people do is go straight to create this without context. When you do that, AI gives you generic filler products that look like everyone else's. If you want products people will pay for, you have to first tell AI exactly who the product is for, explain what problem it solves, direct how it should look, and show why someone will buy it right now. When you combine those four elements, AI becomes a money making machine instead of a time waster. So now let's get into the 5-step AI prompt framework. Step one is to tell AI who you are selling to. Most people skip this step, but this is where you are going to actually create demand. So this is your prompt. You are role who helps your audience achieve specific outcome. So for example, you're going to put you are a productivity coach who helps busy moms stay organized without overwhelm. Now, why does this matter is that the more clearly AI knows your buyer, the more tailored and irresistible your product will be. Step two is tell AI what you want created and be very specific. So you can say something like create a 30-day printable planner that helps busy moms organize meals, schedules, and budgets. Specificity removes guesswork and saves you hours of editing later. Step three is tell AI how it should be designed. So you can say something like make it simple, modern, minimal, use friendly, encouraging language, and keep each page actionable. This makes sure that it is literally plug and play for you to put into Canva. Step number four is to tell AI why people buy it. This is sales psychology. So highlight how this saves time, or maybe how it reduces stress or keeps the family on track. When AI understands the pain point, solution, and benefit, your product sells itself. And step five is to build it in Canva. So you can paste these prompts into ChatGPT and let AI give you the base. You can tweak it. You could drop it into a Canva template. Once you're done and it looks great, you can save it and sell on platforms like Etsy or Stan Store or your own website. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, let me show you what all this looks like in real time. So let's get into ChatGPT. So my prompt for this is I will give you the who, what, how, why for the product. Follow these steps for creating the outline. Start with who, define the target audience clearly, state what, describe what exactly the product is, define how, explain the look, feel, and style of the product, and explain why, show why it matters, and the benefit to the audience. Then turn this into a ready to use product outline I can drop into Canva. Include title and tagline, 1 to 2 sentence overview, clear sections with short bullet points, a call to action idea. Keep it concise, visual, clear, and ready for professional design. So here I'm going to put all the information for my digital product that I'm thinking of creating. Now, for this example, my target audience for the who is going to be moms who work a full-time job. And for my what the product is, I'm going to say let's put a 10-minute workout guide for busy moms. And for how the product is going to be, I'm going to put simple, short, step by step. And for why it matters, for example, I'm going to put moms don't have that much time to work out. I should put working moms don't have much time to work out. They need something they can stick to that's simple and fast. Okay? So let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT gives us. Okay, perfect. So here's already given us the title and tagline, fit in 10, the busy mom workout guide. I love it. Quick, effective workouts for moms who have zero time to waste. The overview, a simple 10-minute daily workout guide designed for full-time working moms who want to feel strong, energized, and confident without spending hours at the gym. And then it gives me the sections why this works for busy moms, the 10-minute formula, step-by-step workouts, staying motivated, your weekly plan, and it gives you different things to work with, which I love. And then call to action idea, start today, 10 minutes, it's all it takes to feel stronger, more energized, and ready for anything. So as you can see here, because I gave it more information of who, what, why, it is going to give me a lot better output than if I just said a workout guide for moms. Like create this workout guide for busy moms. Like it would have given me a lot of fluff. This is a lot more detailed, and then I could flush it out even more with ChatGPT. Now, if you are tired of spending hours trying to come up with ideas, design from scratch, or figure out what sells, just skip that part. Join the Digital Gold Mine for $10 a month and get 5 to 7 ready to edit PLR products every single month. So you can upload and sell within hours. The link is going to be in the description below. Now that you know the prompt framework, your next step is learning how to choose the right products to make so you're not guessing. So make sure to watch this video next, and I'll see you there.